Welcome to this fascinating journey through the animal kingdom, where we'll explore the amazing lifespans of the top 10 longest living animals on the planet. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountaintops, these creatures have adapted to survive for centuries, even millennia. What makes them so special? How do they manage to live such long lives? And what can we learn from them? Join us as we uncover the secrets of these remarkable creatures and discover what it takes to live for hundreds of years.
Number 10. Bowhead whale, potentially over 200 years old.
The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, has reported that bowhead whales, scientifically known as Balena mysticetus, are the mammals with the longest lifespan. Although the exact duration of their lives is uncertain, harpoon tips discovered in some hunted individuals suggest that they can live for more than 100 years, and possibly even over 200 years. These whales have mutations in the ERCC1 gene that may help protect them from cancer, a possible cause of death, as this gene is involved in repairing damaged DNA. Furthermore, the PCNA gene has a duplicated section that may slow down the aging process, as it is responsible for cell growth and repair, as previously reported by Live Science.
Number 9. Rough-eye rockfish, over 200 years old.
The rough-eye rockfish is a type of fish found in the Pacific Ocean, spanning from California to Japan. These fish are known to have one of the longest lifespans, living for at least 205 years as confirmed by the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife. With a size of up to 38 inches, these pink or brownish-colored fish often prey on smaller marine creatures like shrimp and fish. Despite their incredible age, the Committee on the Status of Endangered Wildlife in Canada has not yet listed these fish as threatened with extinction. In a recent study published in the journal Science, researchers analyzed the genomes of 88 rockfish species, including the rough-eye rockfish, and identified certain genetic markers that are linked with longevity, such as DNA repair mechanisms that may help prevent cancer. The longer lifespan of these fish allows them to grow bigger and produce more offspring, which may further contribute to their survival.
Number 8. Freshwater pearl mussel, over 250 years old.
Margaritifera, commonly known as freshwater pearl mussels, are fascinating bivalves that filter feed in the flowing waters of North America and Europe. With a naturally low metabolism, these exceptional creatures have the ability to live up to 280 years. However, their survival is currently under threat due to human interference and alterations to their river habitats. Sadly, this endangered species has been experiencing a significant decline in population, as reported by the International Union for Conservation of Nature.
Number 7. Greenland shark, over 272 years old.
Deep beneath the icy waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans, Greenland sharks roam. These impressive creatures can reach lengths of up to 24 feet and feast on a variety of marine life, including fish and seals. But what's truly awe-inspiring is their incredible longevity. According to a 2016 study published in the prestigious journal Science, Greenland sharks can live for at least 272 years, with some potentially reaching a mind-boggling 512 years old. Even the most conservative estimate of 272 years earns these sharks the title of the longest living vertebrates on our planet.
Number 6. Tubworm, over 300 years old.
Tube worms are a type of invertebrate that reside on the ocean floor. The bacteria living inside their tubes produce sugars from chemicals, which the tube worms consume as their food source, as stated by the Dive and Discover website of the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution. Although some tube worms can be found around hydrothermal vents, the longest living species are typically found in colder, more stable environments known as cold seeps, where chemicals seep out from cracks or fissures in the seafloor, according to the Exploring Our Fluid Earth website maintained by the University of Hawaii. In a study published in the journal The Science of Nature in 2017, it was revealed that the Escarpia laminata, a species of cold seep tube worm that inhabits the Gulf of Mexico, can live for up to 200 years, and some specimens have even been known to survive for over 300 years. Tube worms have a slow metabolism and are not often preyed upon, allowing them to develop such extended lifespans.
Number 5. Ocean quahog clam, over 500 years old.
The North Atlantic Ocean is home to the ocean quahog clams. This type of saltwater bivalve can live even longer than the freshwater pearl mussel. According to National Museum Wales, an ocean quahog clam discovered off the coast of Iceland in 2006 was 507 years old. This remarkable clam was given the nickname Ming because it was born in 1499, during the Ming dynasty's reign in China between 1368 to 1644. Anna Holmes, curator of invertebrate biodiversity at National Museum Wales, stated on the museum's website in 2020 that in the colder waters around Iceland, the ocean quahog has a slower metabolism, grows slowly, and may even live longer than 507 years. However, researchers have not yet discovered an older one.
Number 4. Black coral, over 4,000 years old.
Although they resemble marine plants and rocks, corals are actually composed of the exoskeletons of polyps, which are invertebrate organisms. These polyps continually reproduce and replace themselves by generating a genetically identical replicate, causing the coral exoskeleton structure to expand gradually. As a result, corals are composed of many identical rather than just in their lifespan of a team effort. According to a previous report by Live Science, blackles are some of the longest living corals. Radiocarbon dating of black coral samples discovered off the coast of Hawaii revealed that they were 4,265 years old.
Number 3. Glass sponge, over 10,000 years old.
Sponges are composed of groups of animals that are similar to corals and can survive for thousands of years. Glass sponges belong to the of longest living spawn planages that resemble glass, which is why they are called glass sponges, as per NOAA. According to a 2012 study published in Chemical Geology, a glass sponge from the Monoraphis chuni species was estimated to be roughly 11,000 years old. Other sponge species may have a longer lifespan.
Number 2. Turritopsis dohrnii, potentially immortal.
The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish is nicknamed the immortal jellyfish because it has the potential to live indefinitely. Jellyfish begin as larvae, then settle on the seafloor and change into polyps. These polyps create free-swimming medusas, or jellyfish. Fully grown T. dohrnii are unique because, as per the American Museum of Natural History, they can revert to polyps if they are injured or starving, then revert back to their jellyfish form later. According to the Natural History Museum in London, these jellyfish, which are found in the Mediterranean Sea, can repeat this process of reversing their life cycle multiple times, making it theoretically possible for them to live endlessly under the appropriate conditions. T. dohrnii jellyfish is less than 0.2-inch diameter and be consumed by animals can perish in them from achieving true immortality.
Number 1. Hydra, potentially immortal.
Hydra is a group of small, soft-bodied invertebrates that have some likeness to jellyfish and, like T. dohrnii, have the capability to survive indefinitely. These invertebrates are primarily composed of stem cells that continue to regenerate through duplication or cloning, causing them not to deteriorate with age. While they are prone to die naturally due to dangers such as predators and illness, they could keep regenerating forever if these hazards were absent. Daniel Martinez, a biology professor at Pomona College in Claremont, California, who discovered that Hydra does not age, previously stated to live science. They don't seem to age, so potentially, they are immortal.